We are at the Vail Living Well Forum for Optimum Health. Joining us now, we have Dr. Lashica Young. She is here to tell us about I'm Unique, which fosters healthy lifestyles and unites the community in innovative fashion. Tell us about what this is. What's this group all about?
So I'm Unique, as you said, is a nonprofit organization dedicated to the community, uniting communities, bringing together all different types of people from different walks of life, different ages, socioeconomic statuses, and bringing them together in a fashion to help promote health and wellness. And we're dedicated to not just the physical aspect of health, but whether it's mental health, social health, physical health. We understand that health is multifaceted, and we want to affect change in all areas possible.
Yeah, and this gives people an opportunity to, reach out, try something new, maybe try yoga in a unique location.
Definitely.
And they've never been exposed to it.
Definitely. So that's one of the aspects of our organization. It's the Illustrated Union Yoga Tour. We take yoga classes to different cultural facilities, exposing the community and individuals to cultural facilities and practices in health and wellness that maybe they would not have normally had the chance or opportunity or exposure to be around. So, whether it's taking classes to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science, the Denver Zoo, the wildlife experience, all of these different places, and just bringing people together, creating, fun, exciting, unique opportunities to, find avenues in their lives to make changes and to increase awareness and, take a holistic approach to wellness.
Okay, and what did you say when you heard about the Vail Living Well Forum? Did you hear about it? Did they reach out to you? How did you become involved?
I'm Unique has a relationship with Jamie and John Stone, and I was invited to participate and to help bring the vision of what I'm Unique is trying to do, on this grassroots kind of level, and integrate these ideas that, are going to come forth this weekend from these researchers, innovators, and take things from, a top level and try to incorporate them and make them accessible to the community and make them relevant, and not just keep them in a manner where we keep discussing things amongst ourselves and just talk about change and not actually activate change.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing, that you guys are activators.
Right.
They have charged you with going out and activating these things that you're learning, instead of just coming here and like, oh, that's nice. No, you have to figure out a way to get that word out.
Right. We don't want to just preach to the choir and keep the information for ourselves. We definitely want to make it so that it's something that can be incorporated into our communities and, take away that aspect of just keeping these things here, and it takes years and years and years. We want to put some feet and some legs to these concepts and make them applicable to people's lives.
Well, at this event, they brought in some guest speakers and experts for their Forum X Talks.
Right.
Let's talk about Paul Wiley, of course, the Olympic silver medalist. We had Ann Friedlander talking about aging and keeping active. And then, of course, Bob Stickold, he spoke about sleep and the benefits for your brain. How are you going to take that information and spread it around to the I'm Unique groups?
Well, all three of those had some interesting and very dynamic aspects to their talk, whether it's from sleep and understanding that our children, sleep is going to affect their performance in school, affect their digestion, all of these things, and taking those aspects and trying to see how can we make this relevant, and we talk about the holistic social aspect of things and taking a look inside, and Paul was talking about some of those things, and it all starts inside. Before you can ever do anything, you have to have, this conversation with yourself and have some type of resolve about what it is I'm doing and what is it that I want to do.
And it's interesting, coming from Paul, even being an Olympic medalist, you can still have setbacks.
Yeah.
And so I think if you can translate that to everyday living,
Yes,
that you just have to
definitely.
persevere.
Right. Right. It all starts with, mental health is just as important as what we're putting into our bodies.
Okay, well, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Lashica, for this. And if you want to learn more about what we're doing here at Vail Living Well Forum for Optimum Health, you can check out the website. It's vaillivingwell.org.